touch here! Wow. Brandon Peterson, my goodness. Talk about a man on fire. He is making it near impossible for Ugo Bruges to ignore him. Look at this again.
My goodness. Wow. My goodness. That is unbelievable. I mean, how much time do you have to react to that? And be able to get up and make a second save at that. That is incredible. This is why he's been doing this whole season, TT.
Oh, the reflex. That came at him. I mean, of course, it came straight at him, but the save still had to be made, and he had to react.
To his right. Mfundo Vilakazi was already making progress in a bit of space in front of him. Sure could have done better.
They could be in again here. Mfundo Vilakazi! Did that take a deflection? Is that a corner? Yeah, it is indeed. Mfundo Vilakazi. This is great pressing from Kaizer Chiefs.
Wonderful work by Maboye. Yes, it took a deflection as the defender sliced it down.
As you look, play this one out. The red Zimela. Allen inviting Makogolo to do some running, and of course he will do just that. Cracks on the gas. He's won a corner of Aiden McCarthy.
Looks where he picks up the ball. You think he's going to be on the right, but he's dropped so narrow. But excellent work by McCarthy. He couldn't have anticipated.
Brother of Marumo Gallants and Orbit College, and if Orbit College and Marumo or Marumo to win, this is a great run, and that's surely will be a caution. Nope. Mr. Castor is taking a very lenient view of things. He's given the free kick. That was a great run by Chisley.
I think it was a cross.
It was Bradley Cross.
Yes, as he picks it up here. Look how he weaves his way here. And he was about to unleash here with his stronger left foot. And
for him to try and get it over the wall and get it to tip or get it around the wall. And you can see Nepo maybe giving him something to aim at. Goes for goal. Not always rising was that one.
If you try and get it over the wall, you must know that the ball is going to be a little bit slower. It gives an opportunity to the goalkeeper to shuffle across the face of goal and make a save. But if you try and bend, it's quick and straightforward, which doesn't allow them to hold on to the ball much. That's another.
Look at this again, getting in behind the defense of Masulu. Makogolo with a little flick and a chance! Great defense from Chiefs as Kali manages to get it to Hadebe.